This is the award-winning pie that I call the champ. Hey guys, it's Michael from Jersey Pizza Boys. You haven't seen me for a while, but I'm still making pizza.
Michael, give him a little whirl there. You got the dough in your hand. Show up.
Oh boy. All right, look at that, look at that. This guy's amazing.
Being on Rachael truly impacted my life. Since then, I've been all over the world making and spreading pizza. Recently, I just won the 2022 Young Pizza Maker of the Year award. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make the pizza I won with in Atlantic City. All right, here we go. I got my dough stretched out right here, and I'm gonna show you the ingredients to put on right now. First, we got a nice cheese blend. Now, you might put the sauce on first is what you're used to, but my style, we're putting the cheese blend on first, all right? You gotta pull it all the way to the crust, all the way around. Just enough, not too much, not too little. But since the sauce is going on top, you don't need to fill it everywhere, you know? Next, coming in with the sauce, all right? We're gonna start in the middle and then swirl out outside. And then, Italian sausage. I already, split them up a little bit just to go a little bit faster, but leave a little bit of room in between because we have something that's gonna go in there. And you feel like some spots are empty, fill them in. Last, the secret weapon. South African Juanita peppers, sweet and spicy. Rachael, you're gonna love these peppers. And now it's ready for the oven. Here we go. Can't you tell I've been in the gym? But now we're gonna work on the post-bake topping of the pizza, okay? First, we got the stracciatella cheese, okay? A little bit at a time. There we go, tongue twister for me. There we go, all done. This is the award-winning pie that I call the champ.